Hi guys, just been rolling some boilies ready for a France trip, and while I was doing it I thought I need to do a review on this NGT pan that I've just bought. It's a cross between a pan and a griddle, or even a skillet if you like, and it looks like it's going to be a cracking bit of kit, and it should really help me out in France. So let's have a closer look at it. Okay, here we go. This is the NGT multi-section frying pan. You can see that the handle is detachable. It's 25 centimeters square and it is 4 centimeters in depth. The whole unit weighs 1.6 kilos. The lid, I'll warn you now, is quite heavy. Without the lid it weighs 800 grams without the lid and the handle. You can see that section there is plenty big enough for a couple of rashers of bacon and a few sausages. The other section, this one is obviously geared up to fry eggs, as you can see by the round recess. These are 12 centimeters squared. And you know what, I think NGT have got this about right. Any smaller and it probably wouldn't be worth upgrading from one of these Ridge Monkey XLs, and any bigger then I think it'd have probably been useless on a single burner, to be fair. So yeah, you can see there that the handle is detachable like I mentioned. It's on a spring loaded mechanism and that feels pretty strong, so I've got no concerns over that. And it literally does clip on. There's no fuss, no hassle. Clips on like that. And yeah, it feels really good. Okay, so you can see the underneath there is it's actually ridged. I know you're probably struggling there to see any great detail because of the sunlight and the shine on that, but yeah, it's do you know what, this feels, it feels good. It feels sort of well made, but not overly. I think if it was any thicker gauge than this, then you'd probably be looking at a really heavy unit, which would probably render it pretty much useless for a fishing pan or cooking pan. So yeah, I think NGT have pretty much got the balance just right with the trade-off with the weight and the size, and like I said, also the gauge of metal. You can see there that the handle comes off really easy, just a little slide of that red clip stroke button. I'll be perfectly honest with you, the lid is probably something that I won't use, because like I mentioned earlier, it really does add a fair amount of weight to the unit itself, and I've only got two fairly lightweight burners, so wouldn't want to damage those. But yeah, the lid is there just in case you need it. All in all guys, for £17.70 on Amazon, I think this is a cracking buy, I really do. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please, if you do like my videos, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the pan of sausages there. And and don't forget to keep a lookout for my upcoming video, which is a trip to Lac Baleine in France with my mate Neil, which hopefully is going to be productive. So yeah, keep a lookout for that, and yeah, see you soon. Cheers.